Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from HDFC NETBANKIng to Google Pay. So the first thing we need to do is open our Google Pay app, and once we have our Google Pay app open, we need to add a bank account. In this case, we're gonna click this option called bank account. Once we have clicked this icon right here, or profile icon, we need to first click this option right here, and then we need to click bank account to set up a bank account to send money. It's really easy. Once we have done this, we need to select this option called add bank account, and once we have done this, we need to click this HDFC bank. So it's really easy. Once we have done this, we can funds our Google Pay account using our bank account linking this option right here. So it's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.